this video, we'll be showing you how to assign roles to registered users, which will allow them access to all or certain parts of your website. First, log in as administrator. Then from the main navigation, head to Reports and then Customers. Using the search form, locate the registered user. The search form can be selected from the Manage menu. Click on the Manage menu for the required customer and then select View Roles. Check the box for the required role for the user. Clicking on the question mark displays more information on the functionality of that role in the Help and Hints box. When you are done, click on the Update Customer Roles button. And that's it, you have successfully assigned a role to a registered user. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up classes to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.